We've got a jam-packed day full of lots of circus activities. We'll be trying to expose the participants to the training methods that we use here for our circus artists. They will include balance, both in the form of walking a tight wire and doing handstands. We'll be looking into juggling and some of the neurological benefits that we know about that. We'll get a chance to have a go on flying trapeze, do acrobatics, climb a Chinese pole, and just a general look at creative movement possibilities. It's going to be a great day. The day will be really suited to those people that love movement and movement exploration. Those of you who had a movement practice, and whether that's from the gym or from a previous sport, we're going to see how well you can apply those skills in your training into the circus environment. And although there's going to be some super exciting parts to the day that are very much related to the equipment and the facilities we have here, the really important takeaway is the approach that circus training can give you to use with your clients outside of this environment. The creativity and variability and scalability to all the work we do here allows you to work with entry-level beginners right through to high-level athletes. And that's what's really important and we think valuable in the circus approach to training. We're not under any illusion that everybody out there wants to become a circus artist. But what we do realise is that the exposure we have to a varied movement is getting less and less in this day and age. We see that the way that circus artists do train expose the body to hanging, to manipulating objects, taking weight on your hands, carrying people, being explosive or being very static. And we believe that variety of input is very important for human beings. Here at the National Centre for Circus Arts, one of the leading circus training facilities in the world, we always have our doors open for people to do courses and experiences. What's unique about this event is that we are targeting fitness professionals and really getting into the methodologies that we use to train high-level circus artists. And we want you to be able to take away that information and apply it to your practice and with your clients.